Oh, well, that one. Okay, that works. Sorry, I had some issues with the audio. Like, no surprises there. It's just Windows being Windows, I guess. Anyway, Sunday morning, 6 a.m. I have nothing better to do, so let's do some synthetics trading. Sorry for the audio issues. Winamp doesn't play music either. Let me just really quickly fix that. Go for instance, direct sound. Primary sound driver, that should work. That's odd. No, that doesn't. One more time. References, direct sound. Voice meter input, there we go. Okay, close. That's better. Okay, again, sorry about that. I'm just buying the range here. It was running for quite a while already, so this is maybe short-lived-ish. I haven't placed a cover order yet. Do it down the V75. Let's just quickly check on a 15-minute here. Oh, this is the 15-minute. Wow, it went all the way back up, huh? Quick scalp to V75. Maybe goes a little bit higher. Like this. Oh, come on. Oh wait, that's a limit order. Sorry. There we go. Now I got to place a protection order here too. Looks like the audio doesn't work on this trading computer either. One second. I'm gonna fix that. Okay, fixed.
New Jersey. Good morning. Which index is that?
That's range 200.
Thank you.
Whoa. What are we trading?
Range 200.
Aw, yeah. I'm gonna trade the V10. Beer Bongs and I were trading this earlier.
What's the advantage over the V75?
5. I mean, I can go trade the V75.
Oh no, I'm just asking what makes you trade the V10.
The V75 used to make so like my tool I made recently, and then the old tools it would make it lag, like it would just lag out. But now with my new tool, it doesn't happen. Like my old tool, it would freeze. Like my whole platform would freeze. I think it has to do with like the amount of numbers and decimal places. So when I'm trying to get like levels, I don't know. I guess it was overload. That's literally the only reason. It was never
Oh, but that makes sense. Plus, they don't let you download the ticks.
Yeah. Sometimes. I mean, I still get the data, but like on certain ones, it would make it freeze up. I don't know anymore. But yeah, I just like the V10 and the V100. I can do them without there any like lag. So that works.
I have some dental problem and a horny cat, which prevents me from sleeping.
Wow. And a cat that's horny. Goddamn. That sounds like quite a shitty time. Poor fish. How do you ever get to sleep with your horny cat? God damn. Let's see if I can do this without lag. Yeah, my tools work. I don't know. Yes, it's the old tools. Weird stuff. Yeah, geez, I haven't been in here for a while. Like, a while being like probably 1 week feels like an eternity.
That is an eternity.
What instrument you are trading on Saturday?
Hell yeah.
This is from Deriv.com. It actually shows right now on the stream Synthetics broker Deriv.
Dang.
There's also a link that's just right now scrolling past you. I'm not being a dick here, but it's really right in front of you.
You're like, I put it right there and nobody ever knows. The amount of times you've had this talk with people is amazing. He's actually trading Tesla right now.
Yeah, I didn't exit the position.
You son of a bitch, I already got out. Oh jeez, what's Linda doing there?
One second, I have to turn off the music volume. Sorry about that.
That was pretty good. That got me on. But yeah, yeah, I fucking, like, there's a part of me that hates you, because, like, I worked so hard to keep you in that trade, and then I got out, and you're still in, and it's still going, and you kept saying, I'm getting out once I'm at 400%. And then you just stay in,
Yeah, now I'm getting out at 500.
No, you're like, no, you're not. Stop
Yes,
telling
it's
me
retesting the daily trend line. Actually,
that. No, I know.
actually, well, you know what? I said I take profit on Thursday night.
I don't believe you until you do it.
I did. And
Oh.
guess what? The market closes 5
Yeah.
cents below it.
Well, you know what? I'm proud that you tried. Because, like, I don't even know where to begin. Like, you're like, I'm getting out at this number. And then you're like, I'm getting out at this number. Now here, okay, I gotta get to 400. All right, I'm sticking it out to 500%. I'm just like, all right, Fish, you're getting out when you get out. And I don't know when that is, but I guess I'll see. Like, I don't fucking know.
Well, now the new target is, because it's a few days later, 695.
All right.
Which is $5 before your $700 call.
Yeah, I liked your 680 call though. Like the 680.
Yeah, that the 680 I actually had a take profit there. 684 something. And the market closed 4 cents below it.
Yeah, I can't. Let me go look when I got
my
out,
take
though.
profit wasn't filled. Oh fuck that! I'm gonna remove it.
Yeah, I've just.
Just put a buy limit here and buy stop here. I mean, it must be worth something to YOLO over the weekend.
So this guy the other day, I saw like this interview with him, and he was talking about how he's in 1,000 companies that all pay dividends, and monthly he's just getting this constant cash flow, and I'm just like, hold on. How do I get in on that? So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to buy as many companies as I can while doing my with dividends, and I'm trying to do that idea that I had where I just split. So I have like a predetermined amount of money I want to put in, and then I cut that in half, and I just do my infinite scaling. And I'm doing like giant clusters of these companies, and they're all institutional. So I'm going to see how that plays out. It's kind of insane. So we'll see. Yeah, I don't know. We'll fucking see. I mean, it should work, and I make sure that every single one has that allocation of for scaling in indefinitely, and they should be paying dividend. I don't know. I'm doing really well though. You know, that guy has 1,000, right? So far, I have found 3, so I'm catching up. I think I'm being a bit more picky than he is though, because I'm like, they have to have this. They gotta look good. I don't know, and they're all. I'm only doing ones that are highly institution held and blah blah blah. But you know, I'm a little bit demoralized because ever since I was in Boeing and they got rid of dividends, I'm like, I can't trust anything with dividends. Like, anyways, let me see. I want to see when I Yeah, I got out at 618 on Tesla, so that's kind of shit. But I wasn't feeling it, so I got out. So I'm kind of a pussy. Goddamn.
That's what we do.
Yeah, right. Well, then immediately I went and I bought some Rolls Royce, and I bought some what is this, TFS Fennel Corp, and then I bought some HRB. I don't know. Just who even knows. My portfolio is kind of lacking though, so I want to find more things. Oh yeah, I have some of Sebastian's company too. So that's nice, I guess. I've completely fucking forgot.
Doing the blue
But,
chips, huh?
yeah, just Siemens. Like, I don't know. They pay fucking 12% dividends, so, or that's the 12% dividend yield. But I don't know. Why not? And he claims they'll go up, and the technicals say that it should go up, and it's gone up. So whatever. I'm all around up 5.67% on Siemens. So there you go.
Nice.
Yeah. Take it as it goes. I don't know. It's not really doing anything yet. Alright. Back to synthetics. Mm-hmm. Wow. Getting that RTX voice right now. People don't have to hear my...
What the fuck? There's something wrong with my controller.
Oh?
Okay, that's better. Okay, trading and flying at the same time doesn't really work.
You're flying your drone?
A simulator.
Oh. Yeah, I'm trying to get RTX voice on, but I gotta get this display driver on. I want to be able to have a chainsaw in my background, and you guys don't know.
Okay, I'm too dumb for that for today.
Hey Capital, welcome to the chat. We're trading synthetics.
Looks like we're gonna break out. So is it happening or is it happening? Because this is starting to get very boring. What's the V10 doing anyway? Wow. Okay. That doesn't look too bad.
Alright, I was lied to. I tried to put on RTX voice. Apparently you need an RTX card no matter what. You can't even use last gen GTX. Yep.
Yeah, I have a shitty AMD, so that's not working for me either.
Yeah. Well, it's just earlier they were like vacuuming and I was talking to someone and then like there's like music downstairs and I guess they were Zoom calling with my grandma and I'm just like, God, I don't want people hearing my fucking life. I don't know. Oh, now I got somebody coming in the bathroom. So it's my girlfriend. I'm putting her on the spot. I don't know. I didn't hold down push to talk, but I was like, go away. But yeah, there's a lot of reasons I'd like some RTX voice to keep out all the undesirable noises. Great. Just, I don't know. We only have one person in the traders talk today. It's outside of you and I. And Capital. I was hoping they'd talk to us. Oh wait, they do talk. They're typing in trading
Good
room.
morning.
How many people trading view for Forex? I don't know. Is that a question? Oh, that's what hiding in the bush. Wow.
Yeah, that sounds odd. Yeah, the V10 looks not bad though. It's cheap too. What's the minimum size?
I think it's like point. I don't know. Let me check. I haven't done it yet. I mean, I should know. I know the V100 is 0.2. I know that much. Let's see what the V10 is.
0.3.
Oh, edgy. Yeah. Now remember, they have the volatility ones with the 1 second. Have you tried those?
Yeah, the 1 second ones are kind of strange.
Yeah. They also have these moments where they don't, you don't, well, at least for me, because my ping, it'll like freeze for a second and then go. It's almost like better to have the every other because it's less likely to, I don't know. Yeah, they are, it's weird. It's not the best. It's actually better that I have the every other because of my ping, so that way I don't have to worry about like as much.
I'm gonna refill my coffee. Don't break out V75.
Yeah, I'm looking
range.
at it.
Sorry.
Oh man. Alright, fuck this. I'm going for a goddamn walk, alright guys? Like, it's almost 5 p.m, the sun's gonna be gone. I wanna feel like a human. I've been up fucking trading. I don't know. I don't know what happened today. Who's even watching right now? Alright, let's see. There's one person watching. Jesus Christ. It's dead today. Wait, am I the one person? That'd be weird. I just tuned in. Yeah, whatever.
Trader Junkie haha. It's a joke, winking face.
No, it's not a joke. We're actually trader junkies, so I don't know what you're saying. Wish I understood.
Well, the V10 doesn't move. I shot 2 lots and I'm still 19 cents in profit.
Well, I'm on the V75 right now, so I don't know what the fuck's going on. Did we change places?
No, I just placed 2 orders for the fun of it and closed the chart window.
Okay.
Basically sold the bottom, kind of. Oh no, it's break even. Yeah, the asset is really cheap, so I made just 61 cents with 1 lot. Come on.
Nice. Damn.
Try 1 lot on the V75.
Yeah. Yeah, let me do that.
Two ticks up, double the account. 2 ticks down, margin call.
Hey, that's a pretty good stop loss. I don't know. Yeah, that's... yeah. Nah, they did this weird thing with the V75. It goes 0.001. So instead of 0.01, it's incredible. Yeah, and I think they really did put it in for the reason people said, just to see if people would blow their money not paying attention to what they were doing.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure about that. That's why you have minimum size requirement on the cheaper ones too.
Yeah.
And they move very, very, very little. Like I just said, the V10 moved like nowhere.
Beerbongs is trading the V75? Get in here. I'm gonna go for a walk real quick and then I'll be back. But I don't want to leave you alone, Fish, because you have one viewer.
Oh, wow.
I think. I don't know. Let me check. That's what it looked like.
I feel so needed now.
I know, like, I was trading earlier, and then Beerbongs was there, kinda, and then he left, or I don't know what he did. Beerbongs sometimes, I don't know, he smokes pot. But like, yeah, so there you go. That's all I have to say. I think I'll be back. I'll stay in the voice chat though, but I'll be back, and then I'm gonna trade some V75. And I don't fucking know. Yep, there you go. I can't leave until somebody joins, and then I'll leave. I feel like I'm responsible. I hate it when price actions like this on the V75. Just fucking noise. I want some zigzags. Give me some zigzags.
morning comes at night. I don't understand. You and I so different now. We are always, always on the edge. Hearts are open wide. Different yet alike. You and I so different now. We are always, always on the edge. Are open wide, different yet alike. You and I.
Finally, we're getting somewhere. Oh, it doesn't take profit. Seriously?
up, you fucking losers.
Sorry?
How we doing?
Boring. Shit's going nowhere. You on V75?
I'm not trading at the moment. I was trading all of today though. Pretty good to be fair.
Yeah, it's very tradable.
I do like the V75.
Yeah, me too. What moves the best? It's a bit expensive, but okay.
I've been trading with a 10 grand demo.
Yeah, you cannot trade under 10. I mean, I traded with 6 and this is already very edgy. But I trade more the range 200. This is gonna consolidate for a while, yeah. Just get rid of the VWAP real quick. That seems correct. Whoa! Now everybody's awake.
Thanks for that, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry, is that better?
Yeah.
Like when the cable's nudged even slightly, it fucks up. What I was saying was, go outside, you nerds. It's the weekend.
Still trading.
It is 1 in the morning.
6 in the morning.
That's even worse. 6 in the morning on a Sunday.
Yeah, I have some dental problem and a horny cat. So sleeping is done.
Oh god.
Long story short, not a lot's changed in this server. How's yours going?
Indeed. It's gotten bigger.
What are you at now?
I don't know what it... I mean, 566 online on a weekend is huge.
I gotta check it out.
Really? That many?
Isn't there like a command to find out how many people are in the server?
Wait, your Discord server?
No, not mine. This one.
Oh, really?
Mine one's 1,000, 1,100 total, but like 250, 300 active.
Oh, that's
Yes,
a
it's
pretty good ratio.
8,238. We're on the community board now, so it's getting a bit exponential since then.
I was gonna say, has it gotten a lot bigger since then?
Yeah, so we hit that at 7k, and that was only a few weeks ago.
I didn't even I've never used the search function. Like, how do you even use the community search?
Oh, you got to be 7k members or more.
Oh no, how do you look for them? You gotta
I've got no idea.
Explore
I've never given
public
it a
servers.
day.
Yeah, neither. Fuck that. Oh, I see.
Yeah, the last icon on your server list is explore public servers.
Yeah, I've never clicked on that till just now.
Yeah, me neither.
Weird. Because like you use Discord for servers that you know exists more than searching for them, kind of thing. Huh.
I'm sure the V75 again.
Yeah, shorting looks actually better than buying. In other words, I'm buying.
I don't know, that rejection looks pretty bullish.
Yeah, but it's holding the VWAP.
I haven't even got a VWAP on this thing.
I mean, I make a pretty picture. The red one.
Ah,
Oh, the range is done. Ah, shit. Didn't take profit. Everything I have to do by myself, damn it. Looks like the VWAP is holding on V75. That means I'm gonna be toast in a minute.
Are you trading?
Yeah.
Huh. You live streaming your front yard?
Yeah, because people were claiming this is fake because it's weekend.
Ah,
So I just put something there that moves. Well, it's 7 a.m. Nothing is moving here. Well, it's 8 a.m. Just one of my security cameras. Not that I need them, but well.
range break index. What's this all about?
Well, it's a synthetic market. They have some fake indices which are moving pretty nicely, and they have this special things that, like this one, it consolidates in average 200 times. Well, no, that's not true. It makes tests for the breakout about 200 on average, and then it's just gonna have a massive breakout.
Huh.
What I'm doing is just selling the tops and buy the bottoms until it breaks out, and then I keep doing it again. And you see when it breaks out, the breaks out are kind of massive.
Synthetic. Oh wow. What the fuck? Why does that just look like easy money?
Because it is.
Yeah, look how many times that happened. And I make the position size is based on the breakout risk and not on the actual profit. I mean, that's how I do it. So if it breaks out, I'm having an average drawdown of 0.3-ish something, and I can make 0.1 in one range on average. And sometimes this is just consolidating forever. Yeah, this is pretty much the whole day. There's a deal map. Yeah, just bought and sold all the bounces.
Huh. I can't imagine what the fees would be like.
But there is no commission because it's a consolidated product. So you just pay the spread, which is pretty small. But there are some cave cats to it because, well, this is binary.com, this is a bucket shop. They are trying to take your money. And they're pretty good at that.
What's the slippage like when it moves against you?
It moves in one tick. So the breakout is just one tick.
Whoa.
So you're gonna have the whole move as slippage.
And you're making like $1 or $2 per trade?
About $4, yeah.
Are you just like
Right,
bouncing or something?
Now
I'm out again.
I'm very light because 2 of my limit orders were not filled. And I'm making 70 cents. Where is it?
Yeah.
You must be bored.
I'm up like 6% from the day on synthetics. I like it.
Looks like V75 is breaking out.
I already closed. Another percent.
Yeah, it's breaking out.
Oh, I should have held, fuck.
Shit, I'm gonna take the loss.
Man, I wish I could trade this for real.
What do you mean? Oops. the fuck? Oh, this is 15 minutes. Oh, shit. Something is wrong here. There we go, take profit.
Mama said, don't be shy, go out. 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 Mama said, don't be shy, go out.
Might long the V100.
Mama said, don't be shy, go out.
Looks like
Ah,
we're
fuck, I
breaking
need to
out.
go to bed.
Mama said, don't be shy, go out. I see you
Damn it.
live without your wife.
Alright, I'm gonna go to bed before I lose any money. I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright.
the rhythm of the violet breeze. All things moving closer to the rhythm of the violet breeze. Violet
Looks like it's gonna break out. not so well.
A couple of hours, see how it goes.
Oh, this one looks better.
I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation. Now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like Feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink, so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation. Now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like It's getting
Okay, dodge that bullet. Now back to normal trading. A little bit of revenge trading on the index. Sold the VWAP with 2 lots. That's like $2,000 on like 40 pips, something like that.
Back to making $1.
It's about $4 or $5 ish, and it's a $7,000 account, so just up and down and up and down and up and down.
What was that other market? I had my screen tabbed out. You were trading something else.
Oh yeah, that's the V75. Are you on the stream or on Discord?
Twitch.
Oh, okay, yeah, this one. This is just a fake index. They call it volatility, but it's just randomly moving markets. Yeah, I just did a revenge trade here. Sold the VWAP. Where is it? That's the 1 minute chart. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, sold the VWAP pretty heavy. So, yeah, it's just some price action, and you just trade it like it is, like normal. Like I just did. I just sold it very heavy to pay for the loss and took profit at support.
And this is what, driven all by retailers?
No, this is algorithmic driven. It has no impact whatsoever.
And it's not based on anything, it's just pure...
Just machines. Yeah, somebody was bitching around in the Discord. This feels very robotic, and then I was, well, this is because it's made by robots.
That's just so strange that there's no underlying asset, that there's nothing to tie it to. It's just literally nothing.
Well, if you go to the website, they have some blah 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 about it, but it's pretty much pointless.
Ah.
Markets, synthetics. Where is it? They have some pretty text about it. Wait, this is Forex. Ah, yeah, synthetics. Yeah, based on cryptographic hierarchy, secure random number generated out by fairness by independent third party, blah 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 blah.
That's a bunch of nothing.
Yeah, exactly.
Brilliant. What stops it from just going up 10,000 points?
Nothing. Yeah, that's the whole point. This is like you. But it's good, like Tuxman said, target practicing, because it is not related to anything. It's just you, what you think it's gonna happen, and where your stop loss it's gonna be, and that's it. And if you trade TA, this is pretty good for target practice. Like the short I just made, I just connected the lows. Okay, let's just sell it really hard, and I just went out at support, and it bounced right off.
What's that? Oh, you got 15-minute candles. Huh. Yeah, I can't do anything but 1 minute candles.
I only trade the 1 minute candles too. I just have
Right now.
I just have it like this, Are you seeing the main screen? Yeah. So I just have a 15 minute of the range for no reason, and because it's pretty much pointless. And I trade the 1 minute on the range, and even the 1 minute is sometimes too small. It just, if it breaks out, you will see why. And the V75 just to get an idea where things may go, and then just scalp the 1 minute shot, just like I trade the DAX.
Jesus.
So, and how they get you is very easy. Look, the asset price is $624,000. And they actually let you trade nano lots. There's the actual take profit. Where is it? Volatility, there we are. Find out. So I trade this volatility index just like I scalp the DAX. My idea was to actually do proper trading, support and resistance, but I never do it. I just scalp it, just like I scalp the actual indices. Quick look at the 15 minutes. Okay, this is gonna go down. Support nearby. Sell it to the support. That's it.
So, how does this differ from your normal trading? You're not, instead of range trading, you're just scalping it.
Yeah, but this is not what I'm supposed to do. You just do a buy here the range real quick. And close the cells. This broke out, but I don't care. I just scalped it down to the support. Oh, I closed the buy by accident. Yeah, what I wanted to say is my idea was, okay, let's just trade properly support and resistance, because I never do that. I just trade ranges in Forex and scalp the indices. But I can't get myself to do it. So
Why not?
I don't know. This is just not what I do. You see, if you see the history I have on this index. Here. I just scalping. Yeah. Short the top, take profit, but I don't know. There was probably something here, some trend line, whatever. And then just, okay, it retests the same trend line, so short it again. Another trend line, take profit. So I never trade the full range. Same on the indices. If you look at my DAX deal map, it looks just the same. Look here, buy and sell like a crazy person.
Oh, nice.
And just go to a bar chart.
I like how it doesn't consolidate really. There's always
It always
something
moves.
happening. I like
That's one of the characteristics of them. They have it explained properly. They have a few other indices, like the 1 second ones. They have them both. There's volatility 75. That's the one I trade, and there's another one. It's called volatility 75 1 second. And that means it's gonna move every second, no matter what. If you go to
this
the
is
one,
synthetic as well.
yeah, it has the same name, but they use this one for the binary options. So
Not available in Australia.
like every second it moves. One tick a second. You see it?
Yeah.
So it's 60 ticks a minute, basically.
So I take it it's not available in certain countries by law, huh?
Yeah, because of gambling nonsense and whatnot.
Yep, I've completely changed, not completely, but I've changed how I trade to now just 30 minutes a day. That's it. 30 minutes a day, and I just watch the screens all day, looking for high liquid, high volatility news events. That's it.
Yeah, what they made, this is actually binary.com. They just renamed themselves. So you see, this is the same index, volatility 25, 1 second.
Oh yeah?
Volatility is 75, 1 second. But of course, they making money with the binary option nonsense.
Yeah.
And the MetaTrader traders, they get fucked over by the margin most of the time. Like, I'm pretty sure I cannot sell here 5 nanos. Oh, I can. Oh wow, this is cheap. $0.56 loss. Maybe I'm looking at the 1 second one. Seems to be cheaper. Let's just take the profit.
Busy.
So casual 4% on a non-existing market.
Yeah. So what are you doing? Just practicing, just figuring it all out, or are you actually taking it?
Yeah, this is real money. This is I'm not. I cannot really do the demo thing. And of course, I did the absolute newbie stuff. Like I traded on demo, like, I don't know, maybe half a day. Then I made $600. Yeah, this is my demo account. Made like $600, and I said, oh, this is like printing money. Put 5 grand on it, lost 3 grand. Day 1, lost 3 grand. Because then I realized this margin things. I didn't even look at it. And then I realized that this V75 is like 600 grand for one contract.
Oh.
So if you start to scale, what I do, like on the indices, on the actual indices, like on the DAX, I scale like a crazy person. But if you start doing that on this thing, this is getting really expensive really fast. How about I got it back already. If you're from Australia, you don't have this boxes. He only has this one, financial STP, which is just standard forex, and there are better ones.
Do you know about what's happening in Australia with forex?
Yeah, 1 to 30, but well, they proposed it like 2 years ago already.
Oh,
It's just
they're taking it seriously.
Yeah, it's put into law, I think, in March.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be enforced next March. So 1 year grace period is pretty good.
1 year?
Yeah, this was put into law last year.
Was it? I thought it was just papers and amendments, and it's in discussion phase. I think they're still in discussion phase, but the idea is they're putting it into law in March. That's the target.
Oh, really?
Wrong, but
I was under the
it's
impression
very
this is already law since a year. Nobody nobody gave a shit.
No. Definitely
I mean
not.
that's why all the brokers started to move off to some less regulated places.
So what they're doing, yeah, I don't know what.
I mean, brokers would not do that if that would not be definitive.
Oh yeah, no, it's definitely it's coming. They've all put in papers. I've read the submissions of most of the brokers about how, of course, the government is clearly not fucking factoring in people who are profitable. Thankfully for me, that doesn't affect equities too much. So you get like 20x leverage for large cap stocks that are in the tens, if not hundreds of billions of dollars in market cap. And it's like, yeah, I don't really trade those. So they're forcing it from 20x leverage to 5x. Yeah, I think it's 5x. Yeah, so 20% margin requirement, which ain't too bad, which is what I use pretty much all the time anyway. So it's not too bad. But yeah, 4x is basically dead.
Yeah, they don't have a professional exception.
Oh, yes, they do. Sorry, they do. You need to be a 708 investor or something like that. You basically need 2.5 million in assets, or you need to be able to prove 2.5 million in assets, or have an income of 250 grand a year over 2 years and prove that income. Then you can get the different leverage.
Yeah, I guess they just don't want people shooting themselves.
Oh, it's purely COVID driven. Yeah. They were talking about it in what was it? August? And they pushed it through real quick. There was some stuff coming out about how much retail money was lost in the first 3 months of the COVID when it dropped. People thought, you know what? We're not working. Let's just try and make some money on the markets from home. Over leverage, get slaughtered. And you should see our fucking stock market, man. It was on 3 days in a row, back to back. We had 1,000% plus gains on a microcap stock. Just I've never seen it before. The most I've ever seen was about maybe 500% in a single day. And that's like once every maybe 1.5 years. But this was 3 days back to back. 1,000%, 1,500%, and 3,000%.
Yeah, what was the general direction?
General direction?
Yeah.
Up.
Okay, then, yeah.
Yeah, so people are buying at the top.
They're going the arguments.
So I'll send you a screen cap. Something absurd. This company this is a micro cap company worth about $1 million. So literally as dog as they get. And it was an oil company. And this was back when oil dumped to negative $36 or whatever the fuck it was. So this oil company boomed. Let me see, Jupiter Energy.
Yeah, this is a tough topic. The problem is, on one side you can just argue it's not the government's job to babysit.
Yeah.
But then on the other hand, and when it does it become a fraud? But basically it's, I mean, if you, let me put it in German ways. In Germany, if you fuck up maybe 2 companies, they take the right away from you to be a business person. Basically, they make you a miner again. Like, as example, you open a company limited, you fuck it up, it goes bankrupt or whatever, and then you open another one, it goes bankrupt again. The government actually can declare you not capable of running a business.
Yeah.
Basically making you a miner again.
Well, they're making people here unable to even start trading, basically. It's just like it's killing an industry of trading, at least for Forex. For equities, yeah. It's pretty much saying you need more money to trade. So
I mean, I understand the pattern day trader rule that they have in the US, which is makes sense because it basically forces you to trade small. If you have small money, then you cannot scalp all day, but you can still do it. And if you have the money, then you can do whatever the fuck you want. And that's actually not that bad. But just cutting off the leverage is, I don't know.
they're not just doing that. They're getting rid of any sort of incentives and bonuses to encourage people to join. So, I mean, I do referrals, and I get about just under $5,000 a month for nothing. Hold on a sec. I'm back in a minute.
Oh, we're almost back at the top.
I'm back. Yeah, so they cut off incentives. So, you know, they had like 10 basis points, for example, and if people sign up under my link, they get 9 basis points and no minimum charge, which for equities is actually pretty good. But they're going to remove all that. So just from that, I'd get a commission. I'd get 1 basis point, and they'd get 9. So instead of the broker getting the full 10 basis points, they'd end up getting 8. So -1 for the customer, plus I get 1. And it turns out it's a really good business.
Yeah. Yeah, Singapore banned that years back already. I guess the Australian just following them.
Yeah. It's unfortunate. It's
I mean, I still do IB, but I do it legally because I return the fees.
Huh.
But if you profit from it and you're creating a conflict of interest by doing so, that's highly illegal in Singapore.
Huh. Well, it's going to be illegal here. I mean, it's pretty terrible if you like encourage people to churn their accounts through as much brokerage as possible.
Yeah, that's what Singapore is all after. But if you don't do that, if you don't create a conflict of interest, there's nothing illegal.
Oh, here you can do whatever you want as long as you don't give financial advice, because it's very difficult to get a financial license, basically. So you can't say, "Hey, you should do this, or you should do that, or you should buy this or buy that." Yeah, I'm looking at.
I saw it on
I'm
your
looking-
Twitter with all the fucking idiots.
It's unlike the US. In the US, it seems like they can do whatever they want. They can like recommend people to buy things and sell things. They can say that, and I'm just like, holy shit, they can get away with that. Whereas
No,
here,
they
it's like
don't.
you say that, it's a problem.
It's the same in the US.
Oh, is it? Well,
Yeah,
they
it's
don't
just
seem to
nobody
care
cares.
as much. Yeah. Nah, so I know a couple of YouTubers here who are just like maybe twice as big as me in terms of subscribers, and they're getting hit up by ASIC, which is our financial regulator. So, just having 8,000 subs, it's just like, hey, do you have a license? So they're like, no. They have to respond, like, no, they have to lawyer up and say, I'm not providing financial advice. And now they have like super like obvious disclaimers when they first start their videos. This is not financial advice. Please don't take it as financial advice. Because everyone shits their pants when they get hit up by ASIC. It's the last thing you fucking want.
Yeah, I got hit by the MAS as well a few times. We just answer their questions and then move on. Oh, we hear you do this and you do that, and then you just, yeah, so.
You should see the Australian market is very unusual. There's like a cluster of like 4 traders on Twitter. There's just 4 of them, and they all do the exact same thing. The trading style is exactly the same. They're just tape readers, but they all know each other like personally before they even were traders. Now these 4 are like doing the exact same thing. They don't demonstrate and share what they do and how they do it, but they've been uploading their prints, their trading prints, for the last like 3 years, every single day. And these guys like make anywhere from $5,000 to $60,000 in a single day. It's fucking obscene. You know what it does? It creates this idea in people's head that they can do the same as well, but no one knows how they do it. I guess it's kind of the opposite with you. People see what you do, but they can't replicate it.
Yeah, same with me. People try to copy me even, and they lose badly. Mostly because they trade too big.
Too big, or they don't understand the nuance?
But I have no problem getting stopped out 10 times a day.
Right.
But if you bet half your account of one of the positions I take,
Yeah, that makes sense.
and the scaling makes it even more complicated because sometimes I take a position, but I'm gonna hit it really hard when it goes against me. But if you already have your account in the first entry, you cannot do shit like that.
Yeah, they should really get rid of like $2,000 accounts. Here's the thing, right? What would you prefer to see? People having minimum account balances or not? Like a regulated amount. Say you need at least $25,000 to trade.
No. That would be that would be a problem for me personally. Because that would just simply make sure that nobody from the worker class will ever step up.
Yeah, but how many times has someone from the worker class put in $500 or $1,000 and actually made it into something?
Yeah, but the American way of doing that is far better with the PDT rule. So you can put on your $500, but you can only put on 4 trades a week. So you can get into the business and not destroying yourself. I mean, you still can destroy yourself, but it's gonna take a lot longer. So you actually have the time to reflect on what you are actually doing.
Okay, I see that.
Like, sure, you want to be a day trader, you want to print money every day. You can't do it because you don't have the capital to do it. So you're being forced to do 4 trades a week or whatever. And then, okay, let's just trade it off the daily chart and do the same. What I'm gonna do all day, every day, once I hit the 25k.
Does that only applies, that PDT rule only applies to equities, or is it to everything?
I think that applies to everything. Except
Okay,
the Forex.
Okay, so it turns out the PDT rule does not apply to cash accounts, so only if you're using margin. Okay,
Oh yeah, only if you
good.
trade on credit, except for Forex. Well, generally CFD.
Okay, that's actually pretty good.
Which makes no sense, by the way.
Well, losing your own money versus leverage money, I don't know, I think that's fine.
No,
Okay.
you cannot lose somebody else's money if it's on equities, but you can lose somebody else's money if it's in Forex or in options. Where's the logic?
Right.
This sounds very much like corruption to me. I mean, the biggest market in the US for retail is options. Because you cannot swing it in equities. So you buy options on equities. Because they are on credit. But where's what's the difference between trading spot CFD or trading or buying options on something that is based on something like that? That makes no sense to me.
Speaking of options, I don't have PTD, but I have PTSD from fucking options last week. I got a few grand as a gift for my 30th birthday, and because I don't need anything, right? Everything I need I have. So what am I going to do with money? It's either going to go in the bank. I was like, you know what? I'm going to buy some options. I haven't traded options, but I'm going to wait for some quality breakouts. So I bought 2, one call, one put, and one of them turned out to make me 3 bags, and that was fine because they're short-term expiry. The other one failed because it just went sideways. But there's a stock called Afterpay, and it was in a huge, it rallied from $9 to $105 or something.
Oh, nice.
And instead of pulling back, it ranged in like a pennant flag, and it broke out on Friday last week. And
Okay.
I wanted to buy just $500, but I split $1,500 between these 3 options.
So the strike was in the
500.
range or outside?
Oh yeah, it was well out of the money, and it had 1 week expiry.
Okay, that's
But-
good.
But it broke out of this range, and it broke out by like $1 or so. So the volatility wasn't factored into the option pricing, right? It wasn't super expensive or anything. So it was still, volatility was still pretty average. So that was the perfect time to buy. Now, with options in Australia, don't ask why, because I don't understand it very well in terms of why there's such a massive spread. But basically, the market maker will give you like a fucking 8-cent spread. So if you want to buy this option, you're either going to buy it. Sorry, the bids are at 5 cents and the ask is at 15. And what you do is you normally put the buy order, your order in the midpoint. So you put in 10 cents, and you'll almost always get filled. So I'm waiting at 10.5 cents, and this stock was selling off on Friday. Like it pumped and then it sold off a little bit. And I thought, for sure I'll get filled. So the market maker's price came down to 11.5 cents, and I was at 10.5. I still didn't get filled, and I eventually just pulled my order because that's a terrible, terrible thing, right? You never want to pay the market maker's price; you want to pay the midpoint. So I didn't end up getting filled, and that 10.5 cents ended up being the following Monday, $1.80, and then another couple of days later, $8. So there goes 40 something grand down the drain. I felt so sick because I tweeted it out and everything. I said, right, this is going to 120. It just broke out from 102. The call price was 112. Oh, sorry, the strike price was $112. It was super within range. And it was like the best fucking setup I've seen in a long time. And it gets to 120, bang on expiry day. So I only had like 4 or 5 trading days left on it. And I'm like forever scarred.
I guess a lot of people had them.
No, so options are super illiquid on the Australian market. The only time someone's going to sell into you is on one stock, Telstra, or the market maker usually. So the banks are the only ones that are going to sell you options these days, really.
Can you auction them, get them out, or something like that?
Yeah. So when you buy the option, you sell it back to the market maker at that midpoint price.
Oh no,
Like
I mean, can you sell it to somebody else?
Oh, look, yeah, you can sit in the queue. You can put your order in the order book, and if someone wants to take it, they can.
Oh, okay,
Nothing stops that from happening. It's just the market maker. As long as the theoretical price, as long as it's slightly better than theoretical price, the market maker will almost always take it.
So there is liquidity. That's good. And if not, or if you're too far away and maybe some idiot take it, then so the better.
Yeah, it's not like the US. The US options is super liquid compared to what we got. Ours is tragic. But therein lies the problem, right? Like the market maker didn't take my 10.5 cents, and it was at least, I'm not sure in terms of percentages, but it was well above theoretical price. Like it was super worth taking. But I guess the algo, for whatever reason, just didn't want to. It's the price I paid. Back in a sec.
Wow. That was a pretty good story.
Okay, that's the last one for today. Just sell the V75 one more time, maybe it's breaking out.
I was like, you done already? Oh yeah, right.
I'm gonna
it's
make
the
one
weekend.
more range to the upside.
Oh, okay. For some reason, my brain was like, "Why are you done?" And I'm like, "Oh yeah, it's the weekend." Like, oh shit.
Damn it.
Indeed.
support is holding. Break out already? Seriously, it's not gonna break out. There we go.
Which earns you more V75 or break 200?
The V75 makes more money, but it's much higher risk too. But I'm only scalping it. Like just now, I just scalped the breakout. Range 200 is more steady. Remove the limit orders very quick here.
Oh, a lot of fire trucks going by and sirens. I hope I'll see you guys later. Sounds insane.
I'm not gonna get filled because of the damn spread, huh?
I've tried to explain how much you really mean to me. I feel a bit insane. Could you just
I shut up already.
I get jealous, I get down. Run into the clubs, trying to have fun. But I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase.
Dude, this guy just messaged me and he said, "So you heard of synthetic indices?"
No, you don't do crap like that.
I was like, who the fuck told? I think, yeah, Fast Alex is a mutual with this guy. Okay. He probably heard it from Alex. I don't know.
Got some insider information.
Yeah, basically.
Just reload my coffee real quick.
I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know they want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know they want 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 it. Talk about it. Talk about it. I get jealous, I get down. Run into the clubs, trying to have fun. But I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it. of diamonds and skies. And I did all for you, 'cause you wanted me to. In your eyes I saw diamonds and skies. And I did all for you, 'cause you wanted me to. I saw diamonds and skies. And I did all for you, 'cause you wanted me to. In your eyes I saw diamonds and skies. And I did all for you, 'cause you wanted me to.
What are you trading here, Swing?
V75 and range 200. V75 is a sort of index, but it's completely artificial data. It's not based on anything.
Oh, interesting. So basically a zero-sum game of see who can take the other person's money.
Just like all the markets work.
True. What are your thoughts on futures trading?
I've been trying to find my way. Take me by the hand and let's go find our own space. Somewhere in between you and me. It's a piece of magic that we need to release. Ooh, and now you're looking for a good time. I think you should take a chance with me. And do you wanna get the mood right? I think you should take a chance with me. 'Cause I've been on my way. I've been on my way for a long, long time. You've been on your way. You've been on your way for all your life. Take a chance with me. I can see the fire escape, and you can read my mind. That's why you're heading that way. Nothing will ever be the same. Before there wasn't you, I don't remember a day. Ooh, and now you're looking for a good time. I think you should take a chance with me. And do you wanna get the mood right? I think you should take a chance with me. 'Cause I've been on my way. I've been on my way for a long, long time. You've been on your way. You've been on your way, yeah, for all your life.
I'm gonna close here. Bored. Just switch to 1 minute here real quick and restart MetaTrader. Oh, that's the wrong chart. I'll wait for my FX book to update, so I can update his stats. Alright, have a good weekend, everybody.